from a Vietnamese supermarket.
Okay, so we are at the supermarket called the Big C. It is the largest supermarket of its kind here in Vietnam. It's in Hue, the city we are currently in, and it is a multi-story supermarket. It's around 4 stories.
Do you want to get it?
Yes, please. I
No,
like this very
we don't
much.
need it.
Please. Can I have it?
Doraemon.
What?
Ninja Turtle.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Doraemon. Do you want to get this for our future house? Looks like you. €3 jeans.
Okay, so the soap is manufactured by the same producer which produces televisions, LG Household and Healthcare. I didn't even know that LG produces soap.
We're in the food section now. Tag things. Noodles. Of course.
How much are the noodles?
9,300.
Which is around less than 50 cents, right? So yeah, it's less than 50 cents. Japanese beer. Sapporo is the name of a Japanese place. It's a name of a place. So
Is it? It's a place in Japan?
Yeah, Sapporo.
This is Vietnamese beer, Huda. And how much does it cost?
This is 36 cents of a euro. It's Heineken. There's Tiger. This one here. Tiger is Vietnamese. Larue. Corona. Or Garden, Germanesa.
We really want to have some cereal for breakfast because we miss it so much, and we normally like to take a bowl of cereal with soy milk or rice milk or something like that. So we got some soy milk, and Sam got some chocolate pillows.
Normally at home we wouldn't eat these because they're super sugary. Here, cornflakes, 375 grams is 65 or 70,000. And these cost half the price, so
Whatever, yeah, F it, we're getting them. Popcorn. This is corn
with cheese.
with cheese.
Cheese
Oh,
popcorn-ish.
yeah.
Oh, we should get one. We should try this.
You think? Yep. Okay. Do you fancy some grilled seaweed roll? Maybe a big sheet of seaweed.
Are you sure that is a big sheet or a big sheet?
When I'm rich and famous, I will buy this to clean my jewelry, my gold. Is this good only for white clothes?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so if I take this one, this is good for all colors. Because white, this is not white. So if I wash this,
Yes,
what do you mean, yeah? Can I use this
yes,
for this?
yes.
Ah, okay. It's good.
No?
This is for. Thank you. Okay, and this I can use for everything. Thank you so much. Okay, so I take this for all. For all. Aha, okay. I never knew buying detergent is so difficult.
Là đi con ơi, chung vui nhập ảo mau và ảo không mau đó. Nó đặt nó không mau, nó còn mau đó. Cái này đúng chồng nháo thì con. Mua cho xe sẵn.
Sorry? Same? say, you decide. You decide. Not recording, you decide. This one? Okay, so I get this one. So if in the next video you see my green t-shirt a bit pale and off color, it's because of Sam, because he chose this one to wash her clothes with. Wait, Sam, do you want some sausage? Sam, wait, do you want some golden sausage? Sam, do you want some dried... No, I was gonna say beans. What are these?
Grapes.
Grapes.
Raisins.
Do you want some dried raisins? Sam, do you want some Star Mix? Oh, look at that. Biggest jackfruit I've ever seen. Jackfruit over here is being sold for 50 cents per kilo. We saw a photo, 40 cents.
Yeah,
we saw a photo of a supermarket in Malta that's selling one jackfruit for 120 euro. No joke. Legit shit. So this is the real price, guys. It's 40 cents per kilo.
Pineapples.
How much?
50 cents per pineapple.
Are these lemons?
Or lime.
This is lime. Doraemon cake! Are you hungry?
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah. I think we should get something to eat. Coffee bread? Chocolate. So it's bun with chocolate.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And we have bun with cafe? No. Chocolate. Okay, well, one, please.
One.
Yeah, one.
Yeah.
With a lot of chocolate bits on it, please. Yes. One. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching our video, and subscribe to our channel to watch the next videos from this series and from other videos we upload from all places around the world.
Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Zwidz.